To use an Expedia coupon code, start by going to Expedia.com and logging into your profile or registering if you haven't already. Once logged in, you'll see various options at the top of the screen, including language settings, property listings, support, trips, and your profile, as well as a search function. To apply a coupon code, ensure your trip is eligible, as some codes may have restrictions or exclusions. If given the option to pay now or later, choose to pay now. On the payment page, click on Enter a coupon or promotion code, enter the code, and click Apply. Then, continue with the booking process as usual. If using the Expedia application, browse and select your trip, and on the checkout page, press Enter Code, input the code, and press Apply to complete your purchase. Following these steps will allow you to successfully use an Expedia coupon code.